Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create QR code from any link you have in Canva application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a new design in my Canva application and I'm going to create QR code. First thing first, we need to go to the apps menu. Tap on the apps menu and you have to search for QR code. You just need to type in QR code in the search menu. Okay, and just wait for a moment. All right, and if you want to create QR code, we can choose this one, QR code feature. And you just need to enter the link you want to generate the QR code from. I have just copied my link and I'm going to paste it. Okay, and you can click on generate code. And just hold on until the generating process completed and it's done guys, and we can go back to our design. And as you can see that the QR code has been created and you can customize the size of it. You can zoom in or zoom out, it's up to you. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create QR code from any link we have using Canva application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.